Question 10. Advertisers have learned that people are more easily encouraged to develop positive attitudes about things towards which they originally have neutral or even negative attitudes if those things are linked with pictorial help rather than exclusively through prose to things about which they already have positive attitudes. Therefore, advertisers are likely to blank. So you notice argument completion question, which of the following most logically completes the argument? Again, logically completes means that it's going to follow logically from the rest of the passage. So another type of must be true question, just trying to find the answer choice that logically completes this passage. So if you notice, at the beginning of the passage, we're told that advertisers have learned that people are more easily encouraged to develop positive attitudes about things towards which they originally have neutral or even negative attitudes if we link those items to things that they already have positive attitudes about through pictures rather than exclusively through prose. So the idea here is that if I was advertising cigarettes, I would want to advertise them with something that people have positive attitudes about. So I would advertise cigarettes with pictures of a baby. Or better yet, even maybe have a picture of a baby smoking a cigarette, then everyone's going to develop positive attitudes about cigarettes. That's basically the idea of this passage. So now let's go find the logical completion to what advertisers are likely to do based on that. A, use little, if any, written prose in their advertisements. Popular answer choice, but not correct. Little, if any. It's not about using little, if any prose. It's about not using exclusively prose. So you notice if A said use all written prose in their advertisement, that would make sense, but little, if any, no, we're just talking about using exclusively prose. So A does not follow, and A would be eliminated. B, try to encourage people to develop positive attitudes about products that can be better represented pictorially than in prose. And again, clearly that doesn't make any sense. This is not about changing the products that we're advertising. It's about how we advertise these products. It's not about going to products that are more easily represented through pictures than through prose. So B is out. C, place their advertisements on television rather than in magazines. Clearly doesn't make any sense. Both of those are visual, so why would you distinguish between those two? The distinction there doesn't make any sense, so C does not follow logically, does not complete that argument. Moving to D, highlight the desirable features of the advertised product by contrasting them pictorially with undesirable features of competing product. And again, no, that's not what's happening. It's not about showing pictures of your competitors. It's about showing pictures of things that people have positive attitudes towards. Okay, and the undesirable features of competing products are not going to be things that people have positive attitudes towards. So D is out, bringing us process of elimination to E. Create advertisements containing pictures of things most members of the target audience like. And you notice that's exactly what we saw in the passage. So E would be the correct answer. Again, the idea of a picture of a baby smoking a cigarette would be Philip Morris's best bet to get everyone pumped up about cigarettes.